Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how to use mail merge to create letters within Microsoft Word 2007. In order to create a mail merge, two documents are needed: a Word document and a file with data or records. Data can be stored in an Excel spreadsheet. In this tutorial I will be using a Microsoft Excel 2007 spreadsheet. So to get started, open up Excel spreadsheet and enter suitable data that will be used in your letter. This is an example of how a spreadsheet should look. Use the first row to name the fields and enter appropriate data in the rows below. Note: naming your rows is very important when it comes to using mail merge. To save, click the Office button and click Save As. Save it as a Excel 97 2003 workbook. Save the spreadsheet in a suitable directory so that it is easy to locate when using mail merge. Click Save. This is an example of how a letter should look, courtesy of Hamza Ayub. This example is only for formatting purposes. You can use mail merge when you want to create a set of letters that are essentially the same, but when each document contains unique elements. For example, in a letter that could be a unique reference number, address of a customer, and the name, which will appear different in each letter. The logo and the greeting line will be the same in each letter. As you can see, this letter includes merge fields such as customer reference number. Do not worry about this, as I will show you later how to insert these fields. Save this letter in the same directory as the Excel spreadsheet. To get started, keep the letter open that we have just created in section 3, or refer back to the help guide. The options for creating a mail merge is on the Mailings ribbon. To display the merge mail options, click the Mailings ribbon. These are the options which are available for now. Do not worry about the options which are not available. Now you're ready to create your letter template. Click on the Mailings ribbon and click the Start Mail Merge button in the Start Mail Merge section. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the type of document you would like to create. For example, you can select letters, envelopes or labels, or select the step-by-step mail merge wizard for help creating your document. Since we are creating a letter template, click Letters. Click the Select Recipient button in the Start Mail Merge section to add the recipients. This is the step in which the data source Excel spreadsheet is linked into the Word document. You can choose to create a new database of recipients, use an existing database, or input Outlook contacts. As we have already created a database spreadsheet, click Use Existing List. Navigate to the directory which you saved your database and select the database you wish to insert and click Open. This will open the Select Table box. As we inserted our data into the Sheet 1 Excel spreadsheet, click Sheet 1 and click OK. Note: make sure the first row of data contains column headers is ticked. You can edit the mail merge data within Microsoft Word. To do this, open the Mailings ribbon and click the Edit Recipient List button in the Start Mail Merge section. This will open the Edit Recipient List box. In this box you can create a few options where you can sort the data, filter the data, delete duplicate data, find recipients, or validate addresses. If you want to preview your letters by the surname of the customer, click the Last Name button in the box. A drop-down menu will appear. Click Sort Ascending and the last name field in the table will now be in alphabetical order. This section is useful if you wish to print out the customer letters in alphabetical order, or to uncheck the box next to the recipient's name to ignore them from the merge operation. When you're done, click OK. Now you're ready to insert the merge fields into your letter. Open the Mailings ribbon and click the Insert Merge Field button in the Write and Insert Field section. The drop-down menu will only include the fields which we created in the Excel spreadsheet. Before inserting the merge field, click on the letter where you wish to place the fields. Click on the customer reference number and the merge field will be inserted. Note: remember to include a space after the customer reference as you'll gain 1 mark for formatting your letter correctly. Insert the rest of the merge fields. Always remembering to keep a space between each field. And your letter should look like this. Notice I have inserted a space between each merge field, which you can see highlighted grey. Before you print your letters, you should preview them to check for errors. In particular, pay attention to spacing and punctuation surrounding the fields. You can also want to make sure you have inserted the correct fields in the correct places. To preview the letters, click on the mailings ribbon and click Preview Results in the Preview Results section. Notice the merge fields have been switched with the data from the spreadsheet, which you can see highlighted grey. To view the other recipients, use the arrows within the Preview Results section to navigate through the letters. The template will change to the next set of recipients, as you can see. If you compare the data with the Excel spreadsheet and the letter template, you will notice all the data has been inserted. This is a letter preview of the second customer. After you have reviewed the letters, you are ready to finalize them by completing the merge. Click the Finish and Merge button on the mailings ribbon. You can choose to edit individual documents, print the documents, or email them. If you choose to print or email the documents, you'll be prompted to enter a range. You can opt to print all the letters, or print the current record, or print a set of continuous letters. Click the Edit Individual Documents and the Merge to New Document box will appear. Click All and then click OK. A new Word document will open. In this document, each page will contain the letter template with one of the recipients merged into it. If you scroll down, you can see this. This is the last time you can edit the individual letters. For example, if you want to add a message to a specific recipient, it's a good way to do a final check that everything is correct before printing. To print, click the Office button and click Print. Make sure your printer settings are not set to print on both sides and select the color printer if you have included color in your document and click OK. Congratulations, you have now learned how to use mail merge to create letters in Microsoft Word 2007. Read the other help guides or watch our video tutorials to learn how to create and enable macro features in Microsoft Word 2007.